Dear Renegade Rhetoric, did you have any adventures between the sound defeat of your thruster fleet attempting to destroy Guardian mining output and the time you went to Cortex? I'd hardly call it a defeat, more of a temporary setback, but yes, there is such a campaign, and it is a glorious tale of renegade success. One of my operatives, Traitor, learned that the Guardians had developed a new weapon, the Space Hawk Interceptor ship, and were working with Unicom to mass produce them. Obviously, this was completely unacceptable to me, so we launched a three-pronged assault. I sent Buggyman to kidnap Dr. Turganova, the Soviet Union's coordinator to the project, and a frequent thorn in my side. I tasked Flytor, Claws, and Gunner with leading all-out assaults on the three primary production facilities, and all completed craft. Meanwhile, Copter, Crasher, and I boarded Leader 1's command center to capture the prototype while the Guardians' forces were split. We made short work of the token force they left behind and absconded with the prototype. Though the Space Hawk factories were heavily defended by Guardian boomer units, Vitor and Claws were successful in their mission. Gunner's team, which was engaged by Leader 1 and his entourage, was repulsed after inflicting only minimal damage. Turganova was captured, and the Brainstormer extracted her considerable knowledge of the project. I decided to use her as bait to draw forth the Guardians in a rescue attempt, and allowed one of their scouts to catch a glimpse of her being transferred to our temporary base on the dark side of the moon. Meanwhile, I had Dr. Go begin production on our own line of Space Hawks. Predictably, the Guardians responded with a rescue attempt, with Leader 1 launching a frontal assault. This was a diversion, as the real rescue attempt employed stealth. I had anticipated this, and left the Doctor, Anya, not Go, well guarded. But once again, Scooter's holographic devilry outwitted my men, and the Guardians freed her. It mattered little, for this waste of time enabled me to get my own fleet of Space Hawks completed. I launched the fleet towards Gobatron, with the output from the remaining Unicom facility in pursuit. Though we were engaged and repulsed just outside of Gobatron's orbit, I still count the exercise as a success. We had crippled Guardian production of their new weapon, while securing a powerful new fleet for ourselves.